project.
Hello?
Hello?
Oh man, sorry mate, my tea just went down the wrong hole. Is this plumbing, heating and drainage? Yeah? Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah. Hello?
Hello, project.
Hello, is this plumbing, heating and drainage?
Yes, love, I'll just put you on to engineer, love.
Oh, thank you very much.
Hello?
Yeah, sorry about that. That was me on the call. I just drank my tea too fast and it went down my throat. I was choking.
Yeah, all right, pal.
Yeah, you're right, yeah, you bold wanker. I need a plumber.
Sorry, what was that?
No, I'm just wondering, is this a picture of you on the Gumtree ad? Hello?
You just said something about wanker.
No, I didn't. I said, is this your picture on the Gumtree advert?
Why?
Because it just looks like a bold pillock stood there, like a statue.
What do you want me to do?
Well, I was just asking, is it you?
Are you on fucking drugs?
Are you?
What are you ringing for? Just to fucking harass me?
You know what I'm ringing for, right? I needed a plumber. I seen a picture of this bold pillock stood next to his van, like, I don't know, some arsehole that thinks he owes the world a favour.
Oh, you're not fucking shoddy, I know what else better to do than ring me and fucking harass me that.
Calm it, Grandad. You'll have an heart attack.
You do know this is being recorded, don't you? All our phone calls are recorded.
Yeah, and the old man just threatened me. He's bold.
Yeah, do you know what? You silly little fucking wanker. Go and shake yourself.
Ooh. Kinky.
Hello? Hello?
Who is it?
Yeah, my name. I'm just wondering if I could get a plumber.
What's it? Have you just found that one thing?
Wait, what?
So you want the plumber?
Hello?
Yeah, right. I was just wondering if I could get a plumber.
Yeah, what's your problem?
Yeah, I've got it's like a leakage. It's a pipe under a sink. It just keeps leaking.
What about here?
Wait, I'm in Sheffield, you bold wanker.
Talk. Turn him off.
Bye.
Hey, Bob.
Wait, what?
Hiya.
Hiya.
What are you ringing for?
Wait, what? Why are you such a bold old man?
Why are you such a pathetic little prick, man? What are you ringing for?
Well, I was wanting a plumber, but I mean...
Well, you've got a plumber, so what the fuck do you want? Simple as that.
No, well, I mean, I looked at the photo, but you just look like a bit of a bold coward, to be honest.
Well, coward, you've got your number blocked on the phone, you fucking idiot.
I'll block you with my fist, mate.
You block me with your fist, won't do no such thing, you little muppet.
Hey, mate, why are you being cheeky?
Why am I being cheeky? Why are you ringing my business phone up? Fucking harassing me, boss.
Who do you think I am, mate?
Nah. Say again.
Aye, who do you think you are, mate, honestly? Do you know who you're talking to?
I don't go fuck who I'm talking to.
Who do you think you're talking to?
Do I care what I'm talking to?
Aye, tell that bird in the background to shut her face. Tell her to go back to...
Somebody talk to my mother like that, you fucking idiot.
Tell her to go back to Whore Island.
Whole Island, this single old muppet, right? You know all these phone calls being recorded? Every single one of our calls are recorded by a police, you little muppet. You didn't know
Mate,
that, did you?
why acting brave, mate?
I'll come down here and I'll put my fist down your throat, you fucking little muppet. Alright?
Why acting brave, mate? Why acting brave?
I'm acting brave. Listen, come... Oh, you fucking...